Hi, welcome back everyone. In today's video, I am still at a DreamFace. Basically, in the previous video, I showed you how to use a DreamFace app on a mobile phone. I'm using an Android phone. I believe it will be the same for iPhone user or iPad user. But right now, I'm going to try it on the web because for DreamFace, if you purchase it, you purchase the software, you can use this software on your phone and as well as on your phone and on your website. It is all in sort of all in one. So basically you pay $29.99 per year for the pro plan, and then you can log into your, if you're an iPhone user, you can log into an iPhone, iPad, and then you can use it on the web. So this is a very good deal because you are using it on three different platforms. But for me, I'm just using a Android mobile phone and I can use it on the website. So for this pro plan here, you are going to get 5 weekly credit. That means every week you have 5 credit, and then 2 weekly credit if you log into the website. That means if you log into this website here, they'll give you extra 2 credit. Total, you can have up to 7 credit per week. We'll see what can we do with the weekly credit, and then for the premium plan, then you can have up to 30 weekly credit. And then for the premium plan, then you have got this Google View 3 Fast and then free Dream Video 1.5. But that is only on the premium plan. That is going to cost you $120. I don't have access to the premium plan. Until I have access, maybe I will just try this two out for you to take a look. But for now, let's continue on to the pro plan. But this one is on the website. So let me log in, because if I were to log in to my DreamFace, okay, you can see from here, this is my login. So if I log into the DreamFace, you can see my plan here is Pro Plan, Perpetual. That means this is a lifetime license. I buy it some time ago, they still have the lifetime license. Now they don't offer it anymore. So depend on how you log in. If you purchase it on your Android phone, log in with a Google. Then on the website, you are logging with the same Google account and then log into the DreamFace, and you can access this web interface for the DreamFace. So what can we do for here? This is basically similar to the mobile version. The mobile version can do, I believe, all of this as well. I'm more of a PC guy, so I prefer to do everything on the PC if there is a PC version. Unless there's no PC version, then I have to do it on the web. Previously, they don't have the web version, but now they do. So if I were to do a lip syncing video, I do prefer to do it on the website. So right now, I'm going to do a lip syncing video. And then they got this Dream Avatar 3.0, 2.0. I will look at this one in a separate video. And then AI Translator, also looking at it on a separate video. And then AI video, I'll look at it another video as well. Face swap is pretty common. Like background removal is all very common. Even AI image is quite common. So all this you can explore yourself. I'm not going to touch on all this. I'm going to touch on what is specialized for DreamFace. DreamFace is specialized for this avatar video pet lip syncing. Dream Avatar is pretty new, so I need to try it out. But for now, for this particular video, I'm just going to look at avatar video. So over here, you can select any of this. Of course, you can upload your own, and that is the good part, because if you're using all this kind of avatar over here and start to post it on your TikTok or YouTube Shorts account, then you'll realize that it's always the same image. Okay, this is just one image and that's about it. If you are just doing one video, that's fine, but eventually people will find out that this particular video is from DreamFace. So I will say that if you're serious about creating a channel or going viral on TikTok or YouTube, then definitely you have to use your own own avatar or own video that I've shown you previously. Anyway, for this demonstration, let me just select this person, and then I'm going to create a lip syncing video. So for the script, if I were to use ChatGPT, or tell ChatGPT to write me a 30-second script on healthy exercise, and because this is a web version, then it'll be easier. I can just copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. And the other way, of course, is we'll just use the AI script over here and paste the same prompt, and then I'll just tell the DreamFace to write me a 30-second. Okay, I think it write 2 times. So let me delete it and do it one more time. I'm not sure does it write the same script all the time or it'll be different. Okay, it's different. Because previously I saw something else. So every time you tell AI script to write, it'll be a different kind of script. So if you're not happy with this, you can always rewrite again, or even twist the sentence a little bit. Write me a 30-second script on healthy exercise or healthy living or healthy whatever. It's up to your imagination. And then the voice here, because the good part about this DreamFace is that it can actually clone your voice. So if you want to clone your voice, you record your voice, and when you're recording your voice, always have a up and down tone, high and low. Don't just record in a very serious manner. Try to have an up and down, and you can upload up to 60 seconds. So during this 60 seconds, try to have all the up and down, like reading a story, have all the emotion into your voice, then you can probably have a good clone voice. Or you can upload the audio. So let's say if you're using someone else's voice, then you can upload the audio. Of course, make sure you have the copyright for that. But right now, for this particular video today, I'm just going to use a default. So default voice, they have a lot of default voice. So in this case, if you want, you can just always play.
Hello, welcome to DreamFace. We hope you have a wonderful day.
So I only want meal. So then we can have all
Hello,
this.
welcome to DreamFace.
Welcome to DreamFace.
Welcome to DreamFace.
This one is
Wishing
children.
you have a wonderful day.
Hello, welcome to DreamFace.
Okay, this
we
is
hope you have a wonderful day.
I believe this is a young adult. I like this one. So I'll just click confirm. And then over here, this is a script. This is a video template that you're choosing. Resolution. Okay. The premium, only the premium can have up to 1080p. But I believe for now, even the 720p is enough. So I'm just going to click generate. And good thing about DreamFace is that you don't need a good graphic card or good CPU. Even if you have just a normal laptop, you're able to do the lip syncing, because this lip syncing generation part is done on their server. So this is not done using your computer PC resources. So this is done at the back end of DreamFace. That is a good thing. So for people that don't have a fast computer, don't have a good graphic card, you still can use this. And I think this is one of the best lip syncing software around, because for $30 you can generate unlimited lip syncing video. For just this lip syncing video, this is unlimited. But for the, okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look at this credit over here. If I click on this, okay, DreamFace is generous enough to give me 100 credit to test out. So if I were to click on it, then, okay, what can the credit use for? Text to video, I'll try it. Image to video, okay. I can try it as well. AI image, okay, I think AI image, probably you can use other tools. But that depends, because if you like the image generator by DreamFace, you can always do that. But what I'm particularly interested is Dream Avatar 3.0 and 2.0, as well as AI Translator. This Dream Avatar 3.0, 2.0 AI Translator, I will do it, but I will do it in another video, probably in a few days time or in 1 or 2 weeks time. And then the other part for the premium, okay, if we are on the premium plan, then you got this Google View 3 Fast and the free Dream Video 1.5. I will try to see if I can have some access to the premium. And if I do have access, I'll be doing video on this one, but not for now. Okay, we can also see what is the difference between a premium plan and pro plan. So the pro plan, like I mentioned, is 3 minutes long. Okay, now I can see the difference because for the premium plan, you can have a 600 second, which is a 10 minute. 10 minutes, I believe, is enough for a lip syncing video. So now that I see the difference, because 3 minutes to me is usually a little bit too short, but if you're on the premium plan, you can have 10 minutes. That is very good. Okay, this is one of the big difference between a pro plan and premium plan, because before that I was just looking at these two. I would say that pro plan is enough, but now looking at this, okay, the premium plan has a big difference. Okay, anyway, let me go back and okay, where's my project? Okay, it's done. So let me download this. So if I download it, then we can just preview it together. Okay.
Regular exercise is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. Engaging in physical activity enhances cardiovascular fitness, strengthens muscles, and improves flexibility. It is advisable to incorporate a mix of aerobic exercises, strength training, and flexibility workouts into your routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate activity weekly. Remember, consistency is key. Prioritize your health by making exercise a vital part of your daily life.
Okay, if you look at this one, can you spot certain part? Anyway, this is not a good demonstration because I'm talking about exercise, and this one is using a headset here. I think this particular video or avatar video is best for a gaming video. If you are going to talk about game, or if you are going to sing a song, then I will say use this one. So I probably use a wrong video, and let's play again.
Regular exercise is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. Engaging in physical activity enhances cardiovascular fitness, strengthens muscles.
Okay, can you see this part over here? Let me just go back a few frames. Okay, just pay close attention to the mouth over here.
Strengthens muscles and improves flexibility.
Okay, we can see there's some distortion over there. It's not too obvious, but on closer look, you can see that there's some distortion over there. There's actually a few ways to overcome it. Anyway, for me, I think doing a lip syncing video, you need to add in the B-roll. So during all this distortion part, you can always add in the B-roll. I will show you how to add in the B-roll in another video, but we need to use another software because DreamFace alone can't do the B-roll. DreamFace is good at just doing the lip syncing, but always go through the whole video, and then depending on which part have distortion, we can always use another editor to add in the B-roll. And for that, I will conclude my video today on how you can use the DreamFace app to do a lip syncing on the website. In the next video, I will probably also still be talking about this lip syncing, or maybe I'll just go into the avatar video, avatar 3.0 or 2.0, because I don't know what is the difference between the 3.0 and 2.0. So the next video, I will just be looking at that. And then slowly we'll be moving on to AI Translator. So I'll look at this avatar 3.0, 2.0, maybe it's the same thing, and then I'll look at the AI Translator. And after that, we'll look at other stuff. So with that, I thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, do subscribe and share. I will see you on the next video, which I talk more about the DreamFace app. Thank you.